Oh, come on, baby, smart. Come on, bub.
Don't work on this all the time.
Hey, you gotta work down there. Move, constant movement.
And then you don't need to shoot.
That's not movement.
Come on, ref, move.
You're up, Cam. You're
Come
up.
on, Cam.
No hit. Whip leg.
There you go.
You're up. You're up.
Good job.
Work here, Cam.
Go to the underhook.
Slides there all day.
Go to the underhook. Go slide by. Here comes slide by. Hey, you know slide by's coming.
The clock was still running. Now the clock's not running. Okay.
Throw, Cam.
All right. Keep going. All right, Cameron. It's your chance, baby.
Follow, follow.
Oh. There you go.
Hip up. Come out, come out.
Come on, baby. Run it.
Keep running.
Come on, baby.
Butcher.
Oh, my goodness. Come on, baby.
Go behind the arms.
We're going to run it.
Come on, Bubby. Oh,
Hey,
man.
big takedown.
Let's go.
Go to the underhook. Go to the underhook. Cameron. Slide by's coming. Go to the underhook.
Come on, Cam.
Circle to the
Come on, Cam.
Keep working now. Keep working. Stay out of the slide by.
Double gable, bub.
Work in.
Inside time. Inside.
You got to use them.
Not that way. No. No. Fight, Cam, fight!
Game on.
Fight, Cam! 8 seconds, Bubby, fight! Come on!
Nice.
Good job, Cam.
Oh, he's hurting.
Hey, you're all right. Get up.
Let's go. You're good.
Hey. Cameron.
And the
Cam.
champion, now wrestling for the championship at 160 pounds, Ben Bullets from Moorhead, Michael Florence.
Come on, baby.
Cam, you're up.
Come on, Cam.
Fight the grip.
Come on, baby.
Head up.
Come on, baby.
Less than half.
Look away! Look away! Hey, up.
Come on, baby, please.
You're up.
Come on.
Right that grip.
Stretch out, Cam. Stretch.
1 minute, Cam. 1 minute.
Come on, baby.
Fight, Cam. Fight, Cam.
Come on, Cam. Come on, baby. Oh, no. Okay. Run it. Oh.
Big time.
You can do it, baby. Come on. Come on, baby.
You're up.
Come on, Cam. Come on, baby. There you go. Come on. Aggressive, Bubby. Aggressive.
You throw it, Cam. You throw it.
Oh, God. Gable, Bub. Gable.
Short time, Cam. Short time.
Oh, God.
Fight, Cam. Short time. 5.
4.